This isn't just hot chocolate. This is a rich, velvety treat with real chocolate, creamy froth, and a perfect cocoa dusting. Let's make it. So to make your delicious hot chocolate, you will need milk. So the milk I'm using full fat milk, and I'll be using about 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 cup milk. Give it a quick whisk. Make sure all your cocoa incorporate. I'll be using a 75% chocolate. You can buy this in your local supermarket. So we're gonna cut up probably. So I'm using about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the 75 chocolate. If you have 74, use it. Add it to your milk and your cocoa and give it a gentle stir until the chocolate dissolves in it. Add about a pinch of salt. I'm adding here some cinnamon and some vanilla just to enhance the flavor. Now, to make it very interesting, I'm gonna froth this, and this is what's gonna go on the top. So I'm gonna whisk this until it gets really frothy, and this is gonna take your hot chocolate to the different level. So once that is finished and your chocolate, pour your chocolate in your desired cup, and then on top of this you're gonna put your lovely frothed milk over on top of it. So then you need to spoon over your frothed milk over on top of your hot chocolate. This hot chocolate is delicious and easy to make and effortless and tastes so delicious. I really enjoy it. What I'm gonna do now, I'll be getting some lovely rich cocoa powder or chocolate, and I'm gonna dust it over it just to complete it, make it look fancy. Try this at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you love chocolate, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share, like, and comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.